Hi all, welcome to Le Homemade. Today we are going to make a flavorful Oats Chilla which is loaded with lots of veggies. This Oats Chilla is a quick and healthy recipe. You can serve it for tea, serve it for lunch or even have it for dinner. The best part is it also helps in weight loss. So let's begin. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. Also hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share. To make Oats Chilla, we'll require 1 cup of oats, half a cup of chopped onions, 1/4 cup of capsicum, half cup of grated carrot, some chopped coriander, half a cup of semolina, 1/3 cup of dahi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, some salt and 1 tablespoon of maize flour, also known as makai ka atta, 1 chopped tomato and some oil. The first thing what we'll do is we'll take all the things in a big mixing bowl. We all know that oats are high in fiber, both soluble as well as insoluble. So this can be a quick and filling meal for your office or your kids' school tiffin. This Oats Chilla can be easily made by students, bachelors or even those who are beginners in cooking. In the meantime, I'm gonna add all the ingredients that I showed you earlier into this bowl. You could use a variety of vegetables into this as per your choice and availability. After we have added all the ingredients into the bowl, we'll try and bind it all together in this manner. This mixture contains the moisture from the vegetables as well as from the curd, so add water only in case it is required. It should look like a thalipit mixture. Now we are done with our oats and veggies mix. Now we'll be keeping this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. After some time, we'll see that the semolina has soaked up all the moisture and the mixture has become slightly dry in texture. We'll take 2 tablespoons of oil in a preheated pan. Then we just need to take a ball of this mixture and spread it on the tawa in this manner. Please note, do not make your mixture watery or else your chillas won't turn out to be crispy. In the similar manner, we'll make some more chillas. We'll be covering them and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Once they have changed their color on the top like this, we'll flip them over. We'll give them a gentle press on the top like this so that they cook evenly on all the sides. If you like them to be crispy as I do, then make sure to toast them well on both the sides. And do not worry if your chillas do break, because that is perfectly normal. That happens because oats do not have gluten in them, and so there is lesser amount of binding in the chillas. And I love making these chillas because they are absolutely healthy and tasty at the same time. Once we are satisfied with the toasted chillas, we'll remove them out in a plate. And that was our Oats Chilla. It's a very versatile thing. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Do give it a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you do like this recipe, then please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking!